Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, where we bring you science-backed health and wellness tips to help you optimize your brain and body. Today, we're talking about an essential amino acid that plays a crucial role in brain function, nerve health and skin repair, L-Serine. If you're looking to enhance cognitive function, improve memory, or support skin health, you need to know about L-Serine. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand what L-Serine does, its powerful benefits, and how to incorporate it into your daily routine. Let's dive in. First, what exactly is L-Serine? A non-essential amino acid, meaning your body can produce it, but additional intake may provide benefits. A precursor to phosphatidylserine, a crucial compound for brain cell communication and memory, supports nervous system function, plays a role in neurotransmitter production and nerve repair. L-Serine is commonly used by people looking to enhance cognitive function, slow brain aging, and improve skin elasticity. Now, let's talk about why L-Serine is so important. Enhances brain function and memory. Supports brain plasticity and cognitive performance. Helps slow age-related cognitive decline and may aid in Alzheimer's prevention. Supports nervous system and nerve repair. Plays a key role in nerve cell function and regeneration. May help reduce symptoms of neurodegenerative diseases. Improves skin hydration and anti-aging. Aids in collagen synthesis, improving skin elasticity. Helps retain moisture and reduce dryness. Boosts immune system and detoxification. Supports immune cell production and helps the body eliminate toxins. Aids in muscle recovery and protein synthesis. Works with other amino acids to support muscle maintenance and recovery. Want to get more L-Serine naturally? Here are the best sources. Animal-based sources. Chicken and turkey. Fish, salmon, cod, eggs, dairy products, milk, cheese. Plant-based sources. Soybeans and tofu. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, sunflower seeds. Whole grains, oats, brown rice, leafy greens, spinach, kale. Did you know? Fermented foods like tempeh can enhance L-Serine bioavailability. Do you need L-Serine supplements, or can you get enough from food? If you eat a well-balanced diet, you may get enough. However, supplements can be beneficial for people experiencing memory issues or cognitive decline, individuals with nerve disorders or neurodegenerative diseases, athletes looking to improve muscle recovery and protein synthesis. Recommended dosage: 500 ml, 3,000 ml per day, depending on individual needs. Best taken with meals for improved absorption. So, is L-Serine the secret to better brain health, nerve function, and youthful skin? Absolutely. Make sure you're getting enough L-Serine from food. And if you need an extra boost, supplements can help. I've linked some trusted L-Serine supplements in the description below, so check them out! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more science-backed health and wellness tips. See you in the next video!